Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my travel episodes. Today I'm going to Tsaghkadzor. On the way, I'm here in front of ShangriLa Casino now. So in Yerevan, we have like two venues of ShangriLa. One is just 10 minutes away from the city center, like from the Yerevan, and this one is just about like 45 kilometers away. And this view is so beautiful. So after that, we have headed towards our Tsaghkadzor ZipLine. Okay, I can hear some music and it seems like so much fun. So here we are, guys. Let's go and see. So guys, this place located like 60 kilometers away from the Yerevan city, and they charge like 10,000 AMD per person if you want to do the zip line. So guys, this place also have this beautiful restaurant named Panorama. This view, this location, this place was so good. I mean, like, this is literally one of my best experiences in Armenia so far. The ambience, the view, the location, the interior, the exterior, the food, everything was on point. It was so good. So after enjoying the view, we have decided to order some food, and the food was not so expensive. It was affordable. Also, their food was so tasty, and maybe because of the view, it was tasting delicious. But altogether, the experience was so good. So we are heading back to Yerevan now. It's already 7 p.m. I know it doesn't look like 7 p.m. because usually in summer in Armenia, the days are longer and it won't be dark until 8:39 p.m. And that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna sign off today. If you like this video, please do tell me in the comment that how was the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you. Bye bye.